Hey there, today I have a video for you on how to take a stormy scene and add some dramatic lightning in the background. The video also serves as a great tutorial on how to use layers. So let's get started. I'm going to use PIXLR E for this project. And then what I'm going to do is I will just drag in these two photos already that I've selected. We're going to click Create New because if not, it'll create each one as a layer. So at this point, we have two separate projects, the lightning and the field. For now, we're going to work on the lightning. The first thing we're going to do with this photo is to adjust it to black and white. The next thing we're going to do is add an empty layer. And just so you can see the empty layer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut off the visibility of the background. And we'll take this empty layer and I'll fill it with black. So already the palette is set to black. I'll do a flood fill and the layer is now black. Next thing on that layer, I'll blend it in with the background. So we'll just rename this layer so it's self-explanatory, and we'll call this layer black. Turn on that, and as you can see, you don't see anything because you have to add visibility to it. So at this point, we're going to use not lighten, although that might not be a bad choice. But I think we're going to use soft light. That's actually better, because it hides a lot of the background already in that photo. So this is perfect. So I'll close the photo up, not the photo, that layer panel up. And what I'm going to do at this point, I'm going to go into the background and I'm going to start erasing some of the background. And what I'm going to do here in this case, so that background layer is checked. What I'm going to do is click the eraser tool. Pick basically 500 for the brush, which is a large brush, just to kind of get through this quickly. And you'll see it's quickly wiping out most of the background that we want. And I think I'm going to get rid of this other dramatic lightning layer. It's just way too dramatic. And a little bit of the cloud. Let's see what we really did on this. I'm going to go to the background layer and I'm going to hide the black so that you see it. And basically you see, and you can fine tune it here a little bit. It really doesn't matter. The black's not going to show through anyway. But this basically is going to, this is what you want to create. So what we're going to do at this point, turn it back on and you get to see what it looks like. Looks pretty good, at least for an overlay, which is what we're going to use it for. So the next step is to use this as an overlay. I need to go and I'm going to merge these. So I can just right click here and I'll flatten the image. Now that the image is flattened, I can copy it. And I can paste it on the field. But you don't see anything, so what we need to do is, again, blend it. So we'll go here and we can try some different blends. We could try lighter or screen. It looks like the lighter actually really looks more vivid. So I'm going to choose that. And while I'm at it, I'm going to call this layer the lightning layer. And already it looks good, but we need to just make it look a little more realistic. I'll just take this lightning layer. Move it in a really good location. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.